Instead of typing a long message on your iPhone 17, you can record an audio message that plays directly inside the conversation, complete with a transcript of what's said. It's faster, more natural, and great for moments when talking is easier than texting. Here's how to send an audio message on the iPhone 17 series. Open the Messages app. Start a new conversation or open an existing one. For this guide, we'll use an existing thread. At the bottom left corner, tap the plus icon, then choose Audio from the menu. Now, begin speaking to record your message. Tap the pause icon when you want to stop or finish recording. You can listen to your message first by tapping the play button, or tap the plus icon at the end of the clip if you want to add more audio before sending. When you're satisfied, tap the send icon. You can also record even faster using a shortcut method. Touch and hold the audio icon near the message box. Speak your message, then release and tap send to send it immediately. Make sure iMessage is enabled, since audio messages are treated as multimedia content. Repeat the same steps anytime you want to send another audio reply. And that's it. If this helped you use audio messages on your iPhone 17, give it a like and check out our other tutorials to discover more useful features built into your device. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.